Welcome all. Our today's topic is Sutherland-Hodgeman Polygon Clipping. Uh, Before this clipping, we have learned about how to clip a particular line, but in this clipping, we will clip and we will learn to clip our polygon. As we have already learned what is polygon, where there is many vertices are there, many lines are there. This could be hexagonal or could be a very different shapes. So let's start this clipping. The Sutherland-Hodgeman clipping performed by processing the boundary of polygon against each window, corner or edge. It means as we have a window and it have four edges, 1 2 3 and 4. We can say it is left, right, top and bottom. Okay, and we will clip our polygon according to all these four edges. Clear? Let's check how it is performed. First of all, there are four possible situations which we should keep in our mind when we will perform clipping by using Sutherland-Hodgeman polygon clipping. Our first rule is when a line goes from outside to inside, as in this condition our line AB is going to outside to inside, then the output of this condition will be the intersection point, that is where this line will intersect our window, that particular point and the destination point as well. Okay, the output will be intersection point and the destination point. Another condition is when the line will go from inside to outside, from this is our window, from inside to outside, then the output will be intersection point. We will consider only intersection point, as in this condition we have taken only a dash. Our third rule is when line is inside to inside, it means all the points, all the end points of the line lie within the window, then the output will be the destination point, that is B. In this condition, the line totally lies within the window, then we will consider, or the output will be the destination point. The fourth one is when line is outside to outside, means when the line completely outside the window, then the output will be nothing. We will not consider any point. Okay, so these four conditions you should take care in your mind when perform clipping by using Sutherland-Hodgeman polygon clipping. Now look at this polygon and we have to clip this polygon by using Sutherland-Hodgeman polygon clipping. Here this is our window, okay, and this is the outside area of the polygon which we have to clip. Then the as the algorithm says, we will clip this particular polygon according to every edge. Every edge means by the left edge, right edge, top edge and bottom edge. Let's start. Keep this question in your mind. Now we will clip. First of all, we will clip our polygon according to left edge. This is our left edge. Okay. According to this edge, we will clip our entire polygon. Here you have to keep in your mind, then when I am saying we will clip this window according to or against left edge, then this is our left edge. Okay, then for the left edge, this is the outside portion and all these area lies inside. This whole area lies inside. Okay, when we will clip according to right edge, then this area will be outside and this whole area will be inside, consider as inside. Okay, when we will clip according to top edge, then this will be the outside and all this area will be inside. Okay, so let's start with the left edge. As I say, according to left edge, this is outside and all this area will be inside. Then we have lines AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. For AB, for line AB, as I said, according to left edge, all this area will be inside. Then the AB lies inside and in inside we will consider the destination point, that is B is considered. BC again inside to inside, then we'll consider C. CD inside to inside, we will take D. Our DE line, our DE line, D, our DE line, this is goes from inside to outside, and for inside to outside we will take only the intersection point, that is D dash, that is D dash. We have taken the name D dash when this line is going from D, then this D dash will consider. Another line is EA. EA is outside to inside. For outside to inside, we will consider intersection point and the destination point. Then the E dash A will consider. Okay, and the final output we will draw when we have not considered E anywhere. So this D dash and E dash will be our new vertex we have found. Now this is our final polygon after left clipping. Now keep it in your mind. Then for the right edge clipping, this is our question. We will consider this is as our input. We will not consider now this. Now we will consider this as the input and clip this particular one according to the right edge. Now come to the right edge. Line AB is line AB. We have said that we are going to clip from right edge, and this is our right edge. For right edge, this is our outside area, and all this area will be inside. Okay, so AB is going from inside to outside. We will consider intersection point. BC is outside to inside. We have considered intersection point and the destination point. CD inside to inside, DD dash inside to inside, D dash E dash inside to inside. D dash E dash means this is another vertex we have found. Okay. E dash A is inside to inside, and according to rules we will find these one. And the final polygon after right clipping, after the right edge clipping, we'll found this one. Now this polygon is our input for another edge clipping. Now we will clip. You can clip according to any edge. Any edge. There is no well defined or form that we have to clip bottom first or top first or left first or right first. You can clip according to you. Now we will clip according to the bottom, like according to the bottom edge. This is our bottom edge. For bottom edge, this is our outside area, and all these will be inside area. Now our vertices A dash will be inside to inside, A dash B dash inside to inside, B dash C inside to inside, CD inside to outside. Here we will clip, we will take our intersection point only. Look at C, D, CD, this is our CD, this is our inside to outside. So we will consider only intersection point. D, D dash outside to inside, then we will consider intersection point and the destination point. We have taken this name. D dash we have already taken, so we have taken this name D dash. Next stage D dash E dash inside to inside, E dash A inside to inside. In the condition of inside to inside, we will consider only destination point. Okay. So after bottom clipping, after bottom line clipping, this is our final diagram. You have to create, we have to draw after every edge clipping the final polygon, so that this will be easy to move further clipping. Now this polygon is the input for our top edge clipping. Now we will clip according to our top edge. For top edge, this is our outside area and this is all our inside area. Now clip according to the top edge. For line A dash outside to inside, or line A dash. This is our line A dash, then this is outside to inside. Then we will consider intersection point and the destination point as well. Okay, A dash B dash inside to inside, all these vertices, all these lines will lie, as we have said, all this area will be in inside, so all these line come under inside to inside, and only one another line, that is e dash a, this would be inside to outside condition. And in this inside to outside condition we will consider only the intersection point, that is e e double dash. E dash have already taken, so we have taken this name e double dash. You can consider the names, these names, according to yourself. This is not fixed that you have to take these names only, so you can take these names according to you. Okay, so this is our final polygon after clipping. So you can see there is no any outside edges, all the edges lies within the polygon. Okay, and you can easily check these lines after top edge. So this is your final polygon after clipping. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.